I'm Eric. I'm the Global Routing Manager at SOFAR.
I'm Peter. I'm Principal Scientist at SOFAR. So Eric, what, in your view, what is the biggest misconception to maximize the benefits of wind-assisted propulsion on voyages?
Yeah, I think one of the biggest misconceptions is that once one of these wind-assisted propulsion systems are installed on a vessel can just sail the same historical routes that they have sailed, and it will result in the maximum savings for that vessel. But what we find is that oftentimes vessels have to sail a slightly longer route to best take account for winds on the beam, which are the maximum wind direction for wind-assisted propulsion systems.
That makes sense. And so would you say that once you install wind-assisted propulsion, the ideal is then to just maximize the wind, and will the vessel always do large deviations just to catch a wind, or is there a tension between that?
Yeah, there's certainly a tension. The common maritime logic is that following conditions maximize fuel economy. While that's certainly true for vessels that have wind-assisted propulsion systems installed, what we find is, again, that conditions on the beam maximize that fuel economy. And there is a tension between fuel economy and time savings that our platform balances.